ठीक है।
हाँ मेरे साथ डालना। मैं लंदन में खेलता था तो वहाँ पर मेरा रिकॉर्ड गेम।
यूज्ड टू स्टे इन लंदन।
हाँ वहाँ पर भी तो होता था ऐसा एक चेस का क्लब। कौन से ले लूँ? तीन पीस से ले सकते हैं।
Going back to the night.
है ना हमारा पोजीशन कुछ अटैक कुछ नहीं।
There's a lot of things.
नो थ्रेट।
One thread I could see was very good move actually. Could have played it. I want to play queen to e8, e7, whatever that is. No, d7. Sorry. Only one pawn. Pawn only one move. That's all. Pawns are all at play. Just give it. Queen is having all the fun.
कोई मुझसे भी बात की
नहीं नहीं, don't tell. Don't tell me. Just commentary.
Two can't don't do. Sure. Next it something you intermediate.
You have to give back something.
Queen D6 to it.
नहीं, don't tell. Do commentary only. I see. What the hell?
What the
man?
fuck? What the fuck will I do? I can take
Go
back.
to D6 and then push the pawn. No, push
Then
the.
you take back, please. God. I thought it earlier, so. Sure.
Happens. कोई नहीं. Still Raja has given you. Don't worry. No worries. He's giving you back the pawns, man.
What a mistake. After thinking so much.
But रुक क्यों लगाया उधर? You should have put the rook there only.
इधर
नहीं, king, bring the queen. No, just exchange.
Here,
No,
queen
queen
D6.
D6.
But he will take now.
नहीं, Queen
Let him
D6
take. You
rook-
push the pawn. No, you push the c pawn.
Queen D6 rook
Place c4. Simple.
rook B1. Queen D3 rook B1.
That's what I was thinking.
हाँ,
But
फिर
that
वहाँ से-
still he could have played pawn c4 also. Pawn c4, then that pawn goes. There are 2 pawns again he's getting. Exchanging. But he can. Raja is thinking which pawn to take.
Yeah. It's fun to take.
That is simple. Don't worry too much. Just take one pawn. Simple pawn.
So easy, bro. That comes
Nothing won't
in
come.
end game. Maybe.
Equal pawns finally. Raja.
You
No.
have taken that, huh?
I would have taken the because you get an outside pawn, no?
How is this possible? Oh, sorry. I will not do this one. My goodness. next time you won't. Should I exchange?
He won't exchange.
What do you mean? Where will you exchange?
Okay, then you have an outside pawn at least. Okay. Good simple moves. Simple moves.
First I need to get rid of that one. One out
check.
here. I'm very scared of this one.
But you are attacking good already.
I'm thinking something crazy actually.
हाँ रुक वहाँ रुक
Queen obviously. Either one of the things he has to do.
हाँ?
He has to get back the queen.
That
or
one was
take-
complete
get back
blank.
the-
I didn't saw.
Either something he has to move.
I thought he will not take this and something. Earlier.
Maybe she was like really focused on this, having fun.
Magesh is recording. If I win, then he will leave recording. Like he will not. Simple.
Raja Singh about rook b7 na?
रुक B7
Looks B7, huh?
रुक B7
B7 is also there, but
It's too much. What if I don't have it?
But rook b7, I don't take the rook, no?
Yeah, you won't take it.
But I'll make you move ना.
हाँ वो मतलब रुक एक्टिव
No, rook B7 then-
पैसिव से एक्टिव हो जाएगा ना.
It's risky, bro.
I don't think so.
Did I get exchange?
Oh, actually, it's a very nice move.
Okay, let's try. Why not? Why not? Here, one in the center. Okay.
His back rank is biting him.
Yeah, that's the only thing affecting me. Okay. Equal pana.
Ah,
Okay.
got that he can't. Yeah!
1 minute to go. Let's see.
You unnecessarily give away h7 pawn.
Huh?
ये
रुक
ऐसे-
एक ही जगह.
नहीं तो एक्सचेंज तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा या तो क्वीन यहाँ ला सकता हूँ या रुक को यहाँ ला सकता हूँ.
नहीं, एक और जगह है रुक की.
रुक रुक उधर
के लिए?
वाइट वाले स्क्वायर
हाँ,
पे.
D
इधर
D
हो सकता है.
हाँ, queen also protects.
फायदा क्या है?
But I don't know what you want to do. It's your choice.
अच्छा 36 seconds.
Time. Now we have a queen endgame now. Or maybe not. We'll see. Now finally.
Now you come. I don't mind.
डबल चलना ना.
Why move the king, man? Attack something.
So maybe try rook g7.
G7 got G7 look.
Can't place over there, right? You want to exchange, huh? Wait.
Don't exchange.
पॉन मार दो.
Because I think I'm getting
No, take the pawn, man. It was free pawn.
Now I'm getting under phone.
Why fish? The pawn.
But I failed because I think so.
You know, not passive yet. Not passive.
Thanks.
पॉन अप.
No. King.
पॉन
Pawn up is no fun.
पहले वाला करना था ना तब.
हाँ, पहले वाला करना है. दूसरा pawn करना है.
अभी किंग लेके आ सकते हैं.
हाँ, that's the only way. Now pawn pushes. Look at 15 seconds. No, they're not that way.
What? No?
Simple. You can't take. You should have pushed the other pawn.
Oh.
He's having an outside pawn now.
This is gone.
Gone now. Gone. Time also gone.
Time also gone, but I'm giving you time since you gave me the piece of I'm giving you time. Free time. Think.
Not gone
Free
yet.
time.
Not gone yet.
Lose the pawn and that's it. No?
Hey, I thought.
King can't come back and save h pawn.
Ah.
There is g pawn in the way. You have to waste 2 tempo. That 2 tempo will cause the h pawn to queen.
Correct. Even if you try to protect this pawn, there's no point. Can't protect this pawn at all.
नहीं वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ रुक कहीं और लेके चले जाओ दे दो pawn.
देना
Which
ही
pawn?
पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
He has to give the pawn. D pawn.
Yeah. That's the only way. I mean, to prolong the game, yes.
हाँ, but it's not going to.
नहीं ड्रॉ हो सकता है उसके बाद
हाँ,
भी कहाँ
man.
इतना.
It's not at all at least.
No.
मतलब थोड़ा टेक्निकली हाँ 3
See,
versus 2 है.
see, if the rook takes rook, it's winning for white. Okay,
हाँ, straight up winning for white.
straight up winning.
बट अगर रुक उधर रख दिया तो रुक.
हाँ, so only way to check black is, to keep black is like winning chances, to attack the a pawn like that. But still, it is too complicated.
हाँ वही ना रुक ऊपर ही रखना पड़ेगा किंग के पास में.
So rook c4.
I don't think this is the only
Yeah.
play.
No, I was
Takes.
thinking one more.
Come back. Yeah. Maybe this will try, but this is still it's winning for white. But
I have to stop you first.
be careful.
Get out.
Okay.
No, you could have go. You should have gone there, the other side.
No, but he then.
No, the king has to protect that pawn,
No,
and
but rook f6 comes, no? How will you protect the pawn? You
no,
can't
king
go-
has to protect that pawn. Rook is tied up now.
Hello? Bol?
Right. That is why you should go there, because if you had gone there, this move, there's no check on c2.
वो स्ट्राइकर वाला ये वो बहुत बड़ा है लाने के लिए
What? Oh, it comes with the check.
हाँ हाँ
That is bad, I think.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ डब्बा ही तो बहुत बड़ा है उसका पैसे आएंगे ऑब्वियसली मुझे पता है मैं तो नहीं लूँगा ना
Say,
ऑब्वियसली
so
नहीं
many
लूँगा
pawns.
यार
So many pawns.
देखेंगे मतलब आई एम नॉट श्योर
Nice.
कौन सी बुक का हट
Yeah, this is gone.
चल ठीक है
Right, right. That's the right move. Yeah, yeah.
पॉइंट है वो तो अपने एक्टर से
It's winning. That's it. Why? Just push.
There. There is. Okay. Okay, let's play this.
What's the point?
ठीक है
चेक नहीं है
हाँ हाँ कर लेंगे
Raja, even an endgame noob like me can win this, Raja.
हाँ कर दिया Yes. Bye bye.
Don't think that way. I will not do that right.
अरे क्या टाइम पास कर रहे हैं यार मैं
नया गेम खेलते हैं
प्लीज लेट्स प्लीज अनदर गेम
मैं खेलता हूँ नया गेम हो गया
मुझे भी
जीत गया
Where are you going?
Navang, I feel like Navankar is going to mess up very soon.
Until now, it holds.
Yeah. Unless he plays one move which loses it all. I think Raja can see it.
Hmm? Okay, I'm going to try though, but
Now.
It's a draw now.
No,
He drawn.
let's see if he wins in the position or not. If he loses the position, then it's one. Not that.
wait. I don't know.
But okay, that's the only way to do something.
Any position with pawn here wins.
That's what I'm saying. Check.
Yeah, that's all. No, this is a draw. How will white progress?
No, I see.
See, he'll attack that pawn again.
That's what. But no. Rook takes, no? Rook exchange.
Oh, shit. Nice.
But if Raja is able to keep the position or not is a question.
I think here, wait.
Wait, Raja, wait. Just wait.
Yeah, I don't have to, rush actually.
Yes, just wait. I still think it's a draw. He does not have to do anything.
No, the problem is.
Just keep the rook there.
No, rook e2 maybe.
Not there. Just keep the king out. Don't let the king come back. Simple.
Yeah, I just have to cut off this or this.
That's all. No, not this. Just cut off this. That's all.
Cut
Just
off
cut
this,
off
huh?
vertical. That's all. King can't come back. No one can support the pawns. How will you support the pawn?
There's another pawn coming. I don't
No,
know.
let it come. He can't push the pawn. No.
Yeah,
He
if
can't push the pawn.
he gets to f5, you'll take it.
Simple. It's a simple chess.
Okay.
Just keep it.
I will go to e2, force him to push.
No, you can't force him. If you take the pawn, he'll square, you know.
Huh.
You can't take the pawn.
No, but some, he has to move some, make some
He
move.
has
na.
to make some. But now I think it's a definitely draw. 100% draw.